What can I do for you?
My husband doesn't like sex.
He doesn't like what?
Sex.
And he's a man. Or is he Bobby Risky?
He likes sex outside, but he doesn't like it inside.
When a goat starts dancing like a dog, you need to know the kind of grass it has been eating.
I'm tired now. See, look at me. You don't get like me.
Right. Take this. Cook for your husband. Make sure he is the only one that eats the food. If someone else eats the food.
Thank you, Baba. I will do just that. Thank you, sir.
Right.
African girl with a sweet body wine. The way you grind got me feeling alright. My African girl with a big booty wine. The way you grind got me feeling alright. Girl, you do me teeny nini. Come make.
Oh my God.
Baby,
Yeah, darling.
how about the food I gave to you? Have you eaten it?
Oh,
Yeah.
you made the food?
Yeah.
Oh, I've eaten outside. So, you know, and I'm very busy now. I just decided to give the food to the gate man. You know, I'm not hungry. I'm not bad.
Oh my God.
What? Phone card? You will end up in McDonald's. You will end up in McDonald's. That's what I meant.
Hi everyone, to go just love to laugh. Yeah, keep watching School 2 Comedy and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.